Hey guys, today I wanted to tell you about this really awesome shoe storage. These compartments come individually, so you can choose how many you need. We decided to get 10 here, and they come flattened together and you just pop them into place, and then you can stack them and arrange them however you want. In our installation portion of the video, we'll show how all of that goes together. It actually comes with little notches that you can put down in between and in between here, and then they all clip together so they stay secure. So we added the LED lights to the back, which level up the whole shoe game. My son was really excited to get these. He is a proud owner of a ton of shoes and he really loves to show them off, so this is the best day ever for him. My son wears like a size 12, 13 shoe, and all of these shoes fit in these boxes great, and if it was a little bit bigger, I think they would fit just fine as well. The LED lights have all kinds of awesome features. You can change different colors, you can do this fire look, there's a night mode. The possibilities are endless with the lights. It is really fun to play with, and it's just a super fun display for any shoe lover's room. Not only can you control the LED lights from the remote, you can also download an app that allows you to customize your experience, including connecting the lights to music and lots of other fun features. It's really simple to connect to the app. You just download and go. Overall, we're really excited about this shoe storage. My son has been waiting to get something like this for a really long time, so now we have it, and the fun LED lights just take it to the next level. We highly recommend. It's a really fun gift, or just for any shoe lover in your life. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.